Good evening, everyone. Thought I'd give a little garden tour today. Different from my last season, but we'll get through it. So I have this blocked off for these because the chickens tend to eat out of these towers. So I have my onions and garlic right there. I brought I think it's my pear tree right here, my avocado, and then my banana I just recently got. So this tower was leftovers from what I had in the bag. So some pretty flowers, more garlic, rosemary. I started planting broccoli in some of them and lettuce. I believe that's cabbage. This I need to trim down. It's like overflowing. More flowers. More rosemary. I think I'm gonna pull one out and leave one because I don't eat that much. Sage, broccoli, sage, another pretty flower. And I left some empty because I have some, these are all broccoli. I have some plants inside. They're gonna be planted in the spring right here. So these were all the strawberries from my strawberry bed I planted here. I don't come out as often as I should to get the strawberries, but they've been growing all year. Some runners I need to cut off. A lot of grooming today. So these are 5 towers with 6 each, so 30 plants I could plant in one tower. It's like 2 square feet. So this one has all lettuce, flowers. I planted green beans in these 2 rows. So it's looking pretty. I forgot. I know they're loose leaf, and I don't know what these are. I think my kids planted something. I really don't know. But I know it's a salad mix. Some pretty flowers. Yeah, bush beans. So I got 12 here. This is all broccoli. I planted all broccoli. This is my first tower. So all this has broccoli. I got these from the store several months ago. So I hope these are broccoli, unless they labeled it wrong. So... and 2 pretty flowers. So every day I come out and rotate it. Some of these are, they're looking okay. I guess the cold weather. Now this one, I have 2 tiers of potatoes, and then the rest are asparagus. I noticed, I got the roots from Lowe's about, I'm gonna say a month ago. I put more dirt on today, but did I cover them all? No. So roots, they will grow straight asparagus, which I'm excited about. There's a couple more that started growing, but yeah, there it is. So 6 times 3, 18, right? 18 pockets of asparagus and 12 pockets of potatoes. These are growing lovely. These are starting to, but I just put more dirt in to fill it, because you're supposed to fill it to the top, but with the potatoes, I think I filled it right here. Oh yeah, and this one, this is like a 7-inch. These 2 tiers, I bought 2 more because it was a 4 tier. Because these are 10 inches, it says on the website. And these are 7. So 4 tiers of the 10-inch, and then 2 tiers of the 7 inches. So these are all 10. I believe it's 10. Because they just came out with the new leaf. It's called a leaf size. They're called Greenstalk Gardener. So I bought 2 flowers. I put them in here. I love flowers. Got to bring the bees. This is from leftover celery we had from the grocery store. So I planted it because last year celery grew like crazy. Oh, it's having a hard time turning. I put them on some little discs I got off Amazon. They used to sell them on their website, but Amazon, I got those because the ones I got, they sell on their website, have wheels, but the whole thing turns. So it's nice, and it has like a spout with this one, but with these, oh, you can't see. I drilled holes in them so it drains all the way down, because like inside it has like a little disc that fills up. You just fill it up here all the way to the 5 because I have 5 tiers, and it'll drain all the way down. That's what those little gray discs are, the reservoirs. So all this, these 2 rows are lettuce. I planted some broccoli that I had growing inside. So we'll see how they take, because it's supposed to rain in a couple of days, I believe. Some random stuff is growing. And the rest of the pockets are for the seeds that are inside the house that I'm bringing out in March. Oh, this one's not cooperating. So every time I come out here, I just pull like little. And this one is 6, same 6, all the way around. But this one is a 7 tier, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So yeah, 7 times 6, 49, right? 42, sorry, 42. Yep, 42. So this one has 42 pockets. And you can put tomatoes and stuff like that in it. But I use this for the smaller roots, so like carrots and stuff like that. I'll put in here. Radishes. What else do I plant? I could put peppers in here since they don't really have big roots. It'll like go down there. But like these, since they're deeper, I would put my tomatoes, which I have 3 tomatoes that I'm designating for my other garden stock. I have 2 more in the front that have nothing in it. I need to bring back here. But yeah, that's it.